What are you gonna draw?
Bobby.
You gonna call her him or her?
Her.
Alright, so we're gonna call her what?
Bobby.
Bobby? Okay, so let's do a Bobby. Well, that's a boy's name. But anyways. Alright, so fluffy animal. What color are you using?
Black.
Black? Okay, well, I got red. Okay.
Wait. This one's like pretty black.
Alright, so let's
This
do a
one
pretty black. Okay, so this is dark purple.
Bobby.
Alright, so let's start with the eyes. So we know her eyes is in the center.
It's black.
And it's all black. Well, in my case, it's purple. Right?
Yes.
So what should we do next? I guess what's closest to the eyes right now? It's the
Brown
nose. The nose. Alright, so let's draw a nose. What does it look like? It's like oval. Okay, let's do an oval. That's her nose. That's part of her nose.
Very big.
Yeah, that's actually the mouth, not the nose.
Yes.
So on top of the mouth, what do we have? A nose, which is another oval. So what do we have right now? Oval with the oval, right?
Mhm.
Alright, so what next?
The mouth.
The mouth?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's Catch.
Okay, the mouth seems like it's a line. So, there you go.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's so cute. I like your mouth. It's very happy.
The ear.
We want to do the ear. So before we do ear, shouldn't we do the head first? Because the head is around it, so we know where the ear goes, right? So you look at your picture. So the way I see it is that the head goes around. Okay? So then what we can do next is the ear, right? So which side of the ear do you want to draw?
This side.
This side first? Okay, the left side? Okay, alright, so let's do the left side. It's like what? It's like, that's a big ear. That's a big ear. Once I'm done with the left, I'll do with the right. I guess it's the same thing, right? And again, it's okay. Oh, I have something overlapped. But is that okay?
You can color it.
Good job. So
Wait,
you don't have to worry about
color it brown.
brown. Okay, we'll try brown next. Alright, so what do we do next? So we got the ears.
We got body.
The body, okay, body. So we start below the head, right? So that's where
Yeah,
body goes. So what does body looks like? What kind of shape does it form?
Oval.
Well, it's more like square, like a diamond shape.
Like a diamond or something.
So let's do this. So let's do this. It's like a diamond
Yeah, I'll
shape.
do it. That's one. The one's like your house.
All right, we're gonna continue. All right, so what do we left off with? Hands.
Hands, yeah.
Okay, left hands. So again, so what does left hand looks like?
Like curved oval.
Long oval. So it actually hides behind the ear.
Yeah,
And we're
mine
gonna do a
that.
right
Yes.
hand.
It's black.
Yeah, there you go. I got the right hand over here. That looks like a chicken wings. No, it's no worries, right? It's your drawing. Everybody draws differently. Alright, so what did it left us with? The last part.
The feet.
The feet? Okay, let's do the feet. So again, it looks like more like a rectangular shape. Got a big round feet.
Now they finished.
Are we finished? Okay. So let's do the the right one. Finish with the left. We gotta do the right. So it's more like another oval. Looks like this teddy bear has no, it's not a teddy bear. Bobby has a lot of oval shapes. I see in the center, it has a couple lines.
All the tails.
The tail? Well, we couldn't see the tail, but yeah, we can come up with the tail. Good job. Well, you know what? I gotta make a long tail.
I'll make a short tail.
Okay. So,
A boring one.
oh, Alright, I think I'm.
Ta-da!
Alright, I like yours.
Here you go.
Don't put in this. Still going? Okay, you need my black. Okay. Oh, yours is what? Let me see what you got. You got stars going on?
No, these are snowy.
These are snow. Okay.
This
Why?
is her glob.
Okay. But why is
Go.
yellow snow?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. So how come the body is all white? Is it a white dog?
Yeah.
Okay. So
With a rainbow mouth.
a rainbow mouth. Okay. So basically, Bobby ate some rainbow ice cream, and she turned into a rainbow dog.
No, she's barely just doing lipstick.
A lipstick. Okay. All right. Check out my puppy. Check out my Bobby.
Wait, that's the same.
Huh?
That's the same because you
Well,
are. Because we're all white.
Well, this is because the sun is coming this way, right? So the sun is coming from upper left corner. So everywhere on the left hand side is brighter than the right hand side,
Okay.
right? So you like my picture? I like your picture.
Because what happened?
All right, so you want to move on to the next one?